Aetherium AI is the latest AI software to hit the market, and in this review, we're going to cover the 7 crucial things you need to know before you start using it. Whether you're new to Aetherium AI or just looking for a more in-depth look, stay tuned until the end for my verdict on whether it's worth your time. And yes, you can try it for completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. So let's dive in. The first thing you need to understand is that Aetherium AI is designed to make automation and machine learning more accessible for users of all skill levels. The software provides an intuitive interface, which means you don't need to be a data scientist to start using it. Whether you're managing customer data or automating repetitive tasks, Aetherium AI does the heavy lifting. What sets Aetherium AI apart from the competition is its ability to integrate seamlessly with existing systems. You can connect it to your CRM, email marketing tools, social media platforms, and more. This integration allows you to optimize your workflow without switching to a completely new set of tools, which is a huge time saver for busy entrepreneurs. Next, the AI behind Aetherium isn't just about automating tasks, it's about improving the results. This software uses advanced algorithms to analyze and predict outcomes, giving you insights that can guide your decision-making. This is particularly valuable for marketing teams looking to optimize campaigns or for businesses trying to understand customer behavior. One of the most impressive features of Aetherium AI is its natural language processing capabilities. This means it can understand and interpret human language, allowing you to interact with it in a conversational way. You can ask it questions, provide it with commands, and it responds with actionable insights. This is a game changer for customer service departments looking to provide faster responses and more personalized support. Another great feature is the predictive analytics engine, which helps you stay ahead of trends. Aetherium AI isn't just reactive, it's proactive. It analyzes historical data and identifies patterns, which can be incredibly useful in anticipating market changes or customer needs. For digital marketers, this predictive power means you can create more effective campaigns by targeting the right audience at the right time. Now, let's talk about scalability. Aetherium AI is built to scale with your business. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, the software can handle increasing data loads and more complex workflows. You won't have to worry about outgrowing the platform as your business grows, and that's a huge plus for long-term planning. Lastly, Aetherium AI is all about security. With so much data being processed, it's essential to have robust security measures in place. And Aetherium does just that. It uses advanced encryption and secure data storage, ensuring that your data remains protected at all times. This is especially important if you're handling sensitive customer information. So after testing Aetherium AI, is it worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for an AI tool that simplifies automation, integrates with your existing systems, and provides valuable insights, Aetherium AI is a solid choice. The free trial means you can try it out for yourself and see if it fits your needs without any commitment. Before I wrap up, make sure to check the description for a list of my recommended AI tools that you can try for free. After testing thousands of AI softwares, I've handpicked the best options to save you time and effort. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest tech tools.